안녕하세요 여러분. Hello everyone. I am your Korean mentor. In this video we will learn how to say yes, no and not in Korean. Korean for beginner. Lesson number 3. Yes, no, not. If you want to say yes in Korean you will say ne, ne, ne. You can also use ne for that is right, I agree, sounds good, and what you said is correct. If you want to say no in Korean, you will say 아니요, 아니요, 아니요. You can also use 아니요 for that's not right, I don't agree, what you said is incorrect. If you want to say not in Korean, you will say an, an, an. So let's use yes, no and not in conversation. After that you can understand this lesson easily. Here a person asks to B person that do you like coffee? Coffee. Coffee means coffee. 좋아해요. 좋아하다 to like. Coffee. 좋아해요. The B person replied to A person that is yes. 네. 네. I like coffee. 좋아해요. 좋아하다 to like. 좋아해요. Yes, I like coffee. 네, 좋아해요. So we used 네 here. Example conversation number 2. A person asks a question to B person. Do you like coffee? A person asks the same question to B person. Do you like coffee? Coffee 좋아해요. Coffee 좋아해요. So here answer of B person is different from the previous one. The B person replied to A person, no. 아니요. 아니요. I don't or I do not. I don't like coffee. Not an. To like 좋아하다 좋아해요. 안 좋아해요. No is 아니요. No, I don't like coffee. 아니요. 안 좋아해요. 아니요. 안 좋아해요. So we used yes, no and not in these two conversations. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Download the PDF file from description box. Like the video, share with your friends and ask question in comment box. And follow me on Facebook page. 감사합니다. Thank you.